We have some nicer weather to try the mini AR wing now. So there's a little bit of wind around, but not too much at all. Should be pleasant. Okay, let's go for a fly.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Now we're cooking. Cool. Here we go. And calm day. It's yeah, much better. Smooth as. Look at that. That's nice. Bit of speed. That's cool. A little bit of a wobble, but you'd expect a bit.
4 minutes.
Flying off downwind. Over the other side of the park, that's 400 metres away. Oh, here we go. Wow. Got a roll rate. Loop. Slower on the loop. Quick on the roll. That's cool. This is very nice indeed for a nippy little wing. It's gone on over there. No one over there. No. Be nice to have a few more trees around here that we could nip in and out of. Good fun. So this is a nice little wing, no fuss to fly.
RSSI low.
There is a little bit of wind, so that will be kicking it around a bit, but high speed run. Let's see how we go. This is cool. Very cool indeed. Great little wing. And I have to say it is very similar to the AR wing, the full-size AR wing. It's just no fuss, nice and smooth, easy to fly. Lovely clouds up there. Fly upside down. Not too bad. Some gaps in there that are a bit tempting, but maybe not just yet.